ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? இன்றைக்கி நம்ம லேர்னிங் சேனலில் என்ன வீடியோ பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா ஃபிசிக்கல் அண்ட் மோரல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் எ சைல்டு, அதை பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள், அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஃபிசிக்கல் அண்ட் மோரல் டெவலப்மெண்ட். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபிசிக்கல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் எ சில்ட்ரன். Healthy mind in a healthy body is an old proverb. Okay, in the case of physical development, the physical development of a child is very important, and this physical development is the foundation for the child's development. Okay, if your child involves in an activity with the healthy physical structure, it can do that activity with the coordination of mind and body. ஒரு சைல்டு பாடி மைண்ட் எல்லாம் இந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷன் ஆஃப் மைண்ட் செய்ய முடியும். Physical growth and development refers to a process which brings about bodily and psychological changes that are internal as well as external in an organism from birth to death. Okay, next, physical structure. Okay, it involves changes in height, weight, body proportion and general physical appearance. And next, internal organs. Internal organs involves the development of child nervous system, ductless glands, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, muscular system, lymphatic system, genital organs. These are under the internal organs development. Okay, most of the children differ from their development in internal organs, but the following general similarities among the children are observed by the doctors. Okay, we can list these development that are recorded by Indian Council of Medical Research in New Delhi. Okay, we can observe the children's growth are rapid until 2 years. Okay, similarly, female children are slightly taller than male children at the age of 12. Generally, we observe the male child and female at the age of 14. The male child is taller than the female child. During the adolescence period, boys are taller and heavier than girls. Okay, a child's brain growth is rapid during the first 4 years and grows into 80% of its total weight. At the age of 20, children's brain grow into its full size and the weight is in proportion to the height. Okay, growth of internal organs. First teeth. Teeth grow from 7 months and at the age of 2. Okay, 20 teeth only grow. Moreover, the female child teeth starts to grow earlier than the male child, and that during adulthood the wisdom teeth grow. Okay, next, bones. Most of the bones at birth are soft. The child's bones contain relatively great amount of water and smaller quantity of mineral matter. Okay, more blood flows through their bones than the adult, so they are soft. Next, nervous system. These are considerably growth of nervous system during the prenatal period and the first 4 years after birth. Before birth, in the pregnancy period, the development primarily consists of increase in the number and size of nerves. After the age of 4 years, the growth of the nervous system proceeds at a relatively slow rate. Okay, next, muscular system. Muscles at the time of birth are more delicate and less firmly attached to the bones than those of adult muscles, and the movement of the muscles are random and not coordinated. Muscles give a structure to the body and by strongly fixed to the bones. Okay, next, circulatory system and respiratory system. The organ that is vital to the circulatory system is heart. At first, the heart of a child is small and the capacity of the lungs of the child are less. When the child grows, the heart grows into its full capacity and the lungs become fully grown to receive as much they are able to support the respiratory system. Next, digestive system. The infant stomach is at first just like a small tube. When the child grows, it becomes the structure like a bag. Next, excretory system. For the infants, the excretory system acts well and sends the waste outside, and it grows rapidly till the child attains 12 years. Reproductive system. At first, this system grows slowly, and at the adolescence period, it develops into a full system. Thus, we can describe the growth and development of the physical structure of a person from his childhood to his adolescence period. Hence, the person has the fully grown adulthood and healthy and beautiful physical structure. Next, we move on to moral development. Okay. In moral development, first we can say about the meaning of moral development. The term moral is derived from the Latin word mores, meaning manners, customs and folk ways. These are the meaning of moral development. Okay. Morality is inseparably linked with the social system. The child has to learn what is good and what is bad, what is right and what is wrong, and he has to learn his duty also. All these terms imply clearly that the morality has reference to social relationship and social process. Morality has two dimensions. One is that the rules of morality operate in the social context, and the other dimension is the pursuit of good life or personal moral code. Okay, these are coming under this moral development. Next, qualities of development. First, honesty in words and deed, truthfulness, self-respect and desire to respect others, righteousness, self-control, duty consciousness and compassion. Okay. இந்த moral development வந்து கண்டினியூ ஆகும் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ, பாய், டேக் கேர்.